Top 10 places to visit in Dubai. Welcome back, fellow explorers, to another exciting episode of Wanderworld Network. And today's we're taking you on an incredible journey to the dazzling city of Dubai. With its impressive skyline, luxurious resorts, and cultural heritage, Dubai offers a plethora of unforgettable experiences. So whether you're planning a visit or just want to indulge in some virtual exploration, join us as we count down the top 10 places to visit in Dubai. Let's get started. Segment 1. Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. Our Dubai adventure begins with the most iconic landmark of the city, the Burj Khalifa and the adjacent Dubai Mall. Standing at a staggering height of 828 meters, the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Journey to the observation deck for mesmerizing views of the city. And while you're here, explore the Dubai Mall, a shopping mecca with its vast array of stores, entertainment options, and even an aquarium. Segment 2. Palm Jumeirah. Next up, we have the awe-inspiring Palm Jumeirah, an artificial island shaped like a palm tree. Explore luxurious beachfront resorts, enjoy water sports activities, or take a stroll along the beautiful promenade known as the Palm Crescent. Don't forget to capture that perfect Insta-worthy photo with the stunning Atlantis, the Palm Hotel, as your backdrop. Segment 3. Dubai Marina. Now let's head to Dubai Marina, a bustling waterfront area lined with towering skyscrapers, trendy restaurants, and vibrant nightlife. Take a leisurely stroll along the promenade called the Walk or hop on a boat tour to admire the impressive skyline from the water. Segment 4. Dubai Creek. To experience the traditional side of Dubai, make sure to visit Dubai Creek. Take an Abraq traditional boat, ride across the creek, and explore the historic Al Fahidi neighborhood with its charming wind towers and maze-like streets. Don't forget to visit the Dubai Museum to learn about the city's fascinating past. Segment 5. Jumeirah Mosque. No visit to Dubai is complete without a visit to the breathtaking Jumeirah Mosque. This stunning piece of Islamic architecture welcomes visitors of all faiths to learn about Islam and its rich cultural heritage. Join a guided tour to gain insight into the mosque's intricate designs and traditions. Segment 6. Dubai Frame. For a unique experience, head over to the Dubai Frame, an architectural masterpiece that showcases a striking contrast between old and new Dubai. Step into the glass-bottomed sky deck for panoramic views of both the historic and modern parts of the city. Segment 7. Global Village. If you're looking for a cultural extravaganza, the Global Village is a must-visit. This multicultural festival park brings together cultures from around the world, with pavilions representing different countries offering food, shopping, live performances, and entertainment. Segment 8. Dubai Miracle Garden. Immerse yourself in a world of floral wonders at the Dubai Miracle Garden. This enchanting garden is home to millions of blooming flowers arranged in stunning designs. Wander through colorful displays, snap Instagram-worthy photos, and let the beauty of nature captivate you. Segment 9. The Dubai Fountain. Prepare to be mesmerized by the world's largest choreographed fountain system, the Dubai Fountain. Located at the base of the Burj Khalifa, this fountain offers captivating water displays synchronized with music. Be sure to catch one of the breathtaking evening performances. Segment 10. Desert Safari. Last but certainly not least, escape the city's hustle and bustle with a thrilling desert safari. Embark on an adrenaline-pumping journey through golden sand dunes in a 4x4 vehicle, experience camel riding, dune bashing, and indulge in a scrumptious barbecue dinner under the starlit sky. Conclusion. And that concludes our epic journey through the top 10 places to visit in Dubai. From towering skyscrapers to historic neighborhoods, cultural experiences, and adrenaline-fueled adventures, Dubai truly has it all. So whether you're seeking luxury, heritage, or a blend of both, Dubai is bound to exceed your expectations. Join us next time on Wanderworld Network as we continue to uncover incredible travel destinations around the globe. Until then, happy travels. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Wanderworld Network. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below with your favorite spot in Dubai, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Remember to stay curious, keep exploring, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Until next time, happy adventures.